Good people, come along with me as I do another church install. Today we are installing a monster of a camera. This thing has some weight to it. It's a pretty good camera. This is a PtzOptics Move 4K PTZ camera. So this church called me a month ago because they were having issues with the original camera. So I came in to do some troubleshooting, some diagnostic work. Turns out the camera was bad. I pulled the error code. There was an issue with the autofocus. And so they had this system for quite some time, but never been able to use it. So today we're back to get them straight and get them in order. Another thing that I noticed that the person that originally installed the camera, they pulled the HDMI cable in reverse order. So the first thing I had to do was pull out all the cable and reroute the HDMI line. So I did that first before I was able to connect the camera. And once that's done, it's time to plug everything up, program the camera, set the IP address and presets, and then we're good to go. Let's check it out, make sure everything works. Looks good. Give me a call for all your audio and video needs.